Now once you've purchased a machine or decided to get a CNC system of DATRON, our support actually just starts. Because we want you, your workers, your engineers to be trained at the best possible level on the machines, on the controls and with all the technology. Therefore we offer different levels of trainings. Trainings can be either on-site in your workshop or here at our technology center in Germany. We also can visit you for like process or production support in order to step up to the next level of quality, or if you want to drop down your cycle times a little bit, just improve all the things that happen right on the machine. In case you have a problem with the machine or you want a preventive maintenance, our team of service engineers is more than willing to help you and assist you at the best possible level as well, and help you out in a quick reaction time so your machine and you get up and running again and actually, make parts. We also do support you in terms of tooling. I've mentioned it before. Our tool specialists here are open for any special tool requests. If you need certain flute lengths or any cutting geometries, whatever it is, just give us a call, let us know what you need, and we will figure out a way how to do it. We also have the equipment of online support with either TeamViewer, which we can directly log onto the machine. We can do live support with camera over Skype or any other like web clients. So there's a bunch of possible things to get connected with you directly and help you out and make the best out of your machine.